Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to show you how to make parts for RC model with a carbon look. Something like this. This is a side skirt for my Subaru BRZ model with a carbon look. I also made for this Subaru model rear wing with a carbon look and side mirrors. In this video I make a carbon look on this rear diffuser. This diffuser is for Subaru BRZ model and it looks like this. I'm going to do it with carbon Water Decal by Tamiya. Tamiya offer 4 types of carbon pattern. I have this one, but I believe for a 1 to 10 scale model would be better this one or this, but due to COVID situation I was able to get only this in my country, so I use this one. In front of me are all tools what I need to for water decals. Sharp blade, cotton buds, tweezers, scissors, masking tape. I use this masking tape for prepare templates, bowl of water of course. And here is decal fix. Decal fix make water decals fit very well to surface, and mark fit make water decals little softer, so its copy surface very nice. And of course some paper towels. Okay, let's get started. I covered this diffuser into carbon decal in 6 phases. First is center part, left part, right part, and then same from bottom. Okay, let's start with this center part. I take a piece of masking tape and I put it on this center part. And I mark with a pen size of this part. I add a little material for overlaps. Now I put this masking tape to water decal. You have to choose in which way you want this carbon pattern. Now I put it into water. It has to be in water about 40 or 50 seconds. Now I put out this water decal from water, and as you can see, this water decal is moving on the bottom paper. Okay. Now I put a little drop of this decal fix on this surface. This helps glue this water decal very good. And now I transform this water decal to surface. I use cotton buds to lay down water decal very nice on this diffuser surface. As you can see, this water decal don't want to copy the shape of these edges, so I use this mark fit. This mark fit make decal little softer, and it's bent around these sharp edges much better. I roll this cotton bud around this surface to push out all water and air bubbles under this decal. I will cut water decal on this edge. Thanks to this mark fit, was water decal soft enough to copy all shapes and edges on this surface, and as you can see, it looks very nice. It's copy all these edges. Now I'm going to continue with left side. In same way I made template for water decal. It's important how to I put this template on this decal sheet, because now it's necessary to continue in this pattern on this part. So I have to make sure that this line is in line with a pattern on decal sheet. It is also important to have cut this pattern very closely on this line. Not through this pattern, but very closely on the edge of pattern. Now it's very important to align pattern on this new piece with pattern on this old piece. And if transition between these two parts is how it should be, then I can lay down this water decal for good. This is really a demanding job, but if you do it carefully, slowly and with patience, you can get a really nice result. It's really hard to get a nice surface on curvy edges, but if you use decal softener, it will help a lot. And in this way I cover all this diffuser in carbon decal. All parts of this diffuser is covered in carbon water decal. I let it dry overnight, and now it's time for final step, spraying it with high gloss clear coat. And this is how it looks after a 3-layer of high gloss clear coat. Very nice carbon look. As you can see, transition between each piece of water decal is now almost invisible. You really have to looking for these transitions. If you're still watching this video, you made it till the end, so I would like to thank you for watching. And if you like it, consider click on the like button, maybe even a subscribe button. Thanks for watching.